All right, what we got here, Chris?
All right, so we've got a boom that's loose. So what we do, twist the earpiece a quarter turn, maybe less. Comes off 3 screws. So got your 3 screws. This just pulls straight out. You have connections. You really don't need to do anything with them. At this point, we can just move that. You have 2 more screws to pull. You can leave your ribbon cables in place. Now, inside, you have this nut. And all we need to do, grab your needle nose and tighten that just a bit. And now it's nice and tight. There we go.
And that's it. And now we don't have to send it in to get it fixed and buy another one.
Yay.